Hello, my name's Martin Fish and today I'd like to show you one of Cobra's new ride-on mowers, and this is the 62 centimetre ride-on mower. There are two versions available. This one is hydrostatic and there's also a manual, and this is a great ride-on mower, ideal for gardens up to about half an acre or where you don't want to have to walk behind a push mower. So it's got loads of features. As I say, this one is hydrostatic. Simply push the pedal forward to go forward, back to go backwards. We've got 4 height adjustments there, ranging from 25mm up to 85mm, and this model collects as well, so the grass is blown from underneath into this large 130 litre grass collection bag at the back, and when you come to empty it, you don't have to get off the mower, you sit in the seat and literally tilt it up. So a great machine, really easy to use, very manoeuvrable, and what we're going to do is just have a look at one or two of these features and then start it up and do some mowing. This is electric start, so we have the key start just there on the central console. We've got the throttle just here. It's got a manual choke that you push forward and then flick it back when the engine starts. But as well as the electric start, should for whatever reason the battery not be working, then there is a recoil there, which is really handy, so you can always start. If we lift the seat, I can show you underneath here we have got the engine. This is a powerful 224cc Lonstein engine, really powerful, strong and reliable engine there to power the mower. So that's tucked away there, as is the fuel cap. So back down here we've got the height of cut. So 4 different mowing positions, very easy to adjust up and down to get it to the height that you want. To engage the blades, we've got a lever here, so we can run the mower and the engine and drive it around and then put the blades on when we want to. So that's great if you're travelling over paths and gravel, you can have the blades out of gear. This is the hydrostatic transmission here, so it's very simple. You just push this pedal down and you go forwards, and then to reverse we go backwards with this, and we've also got a handbrake that you can lock on if you're on a slope and you don't want the mower to roll away. Cutting deck is underneath. As I mentioned, it's 62 centimetres, 24 inches, and it's offset. So the blades and the mowing deck aren't central to the mower, they're offset, which means that this side, it is in line with the wheels, which is great for getting to the edge of paving or borders or around beds and that type of thing. So makes it really easy and controllable, and it's quite a narrow mower this is, so if you've got gateways you can get through it, you've got no problems at all. So let me show you the starting procedure and how to put the blades into gear. If the engine is cold, you will need the choke push forward like that, and then as soon as the engine fires you can pull it back. And this is the high revs and this is the low revs here. When we do put the blades in gear, we need maximum revs, and we engage with the lever just here, which is down at the moment, and when the engine is running on full revs we just pull that up and it locks into position there, and then to put it out we just drop it down like that. And as a safety feature, to start the mower we have to depress the brake pedal there on the left. We can't start it until we have. So it's going to be noisy when it's on maximum revs, so I'm going to start it, put the blades in gear. We've set the height of cut there, so we're about at the right cutting height, and then we'll mow. So when you've finished your mowing, blades out of gear, I've just dropped the revs a little bit. To empty the grass box, this is now full of grass clippings, you back up towards your compost heap, and then we just pull the lever out here and tip it out. So I'll show you how to do it. So it's just a case of backing it into position. Lift the lever, give it a pull, bit of a shake, and then just pull it forward a little bit. And down it goes, locks into position, and off we go. So there you have it, this super new ride-on mower from Cobra. It makes a really good job of mowing the grass, as good as any push mower. And the great thing about it is, because it's got this huge grass collector at the back, I can mow the whole of this area on one bagful, whereas if it's a push mower you probably use 4 or 5, so lots more trips to the compost heap. One of the other safety features of this mower is if you get off it when the engine is running, as soon as you get off the seat, the engine will automatically cut out. Really is good, exceptional value for money, and very easy to use. For more information on the Cobra range and for details of lawn care and the lawn care calendar, go to cobragarden.co.uk.